Welcome. Today I am with JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling Plus earbuds, and I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off noise cancelling and the ambient sound control. So first we have to open charging case of our earbuds. Next we have to open the JBL headphones application. Select your earbuds. Now just wait a little bit until it will be connected. And as you can see in this place, in the application you can find the noise cancelling and also the ambient sound control. So when you tap once, when they are in the case, on the both options, they will be not activated. So what you have to do is simply just put them to the ears. And when you make it, right now you will be able to turn on or turn off the noise cancelling and also the ambient sound control. In this place, you can also pick between the ambient aware or talk through. So as you can see, that's pretty simple, and it's all about these sensors that you can find right here. So when you cover them with your fingers, you will be also able to change these modes. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.